Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to export and import your bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. This is actually quite simple. First I start Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Here I select Favorites and click on the three dots again in this window. And here we see the two right options, Import Favorites and Export Favorites. First, we will export the favorites now. If I click on it, I have to find a location on my computer where the data will be saved as an HTML document. I will use the desktop for this. So I click on Save. And if I look on my desktop now, I see the HTML file. To test the favorites import, I quickly delete my two bookmarks. So if we now import the favorites, we should see a difference here. Now we go the same way. We click on the three dots here, go to Favorites, click on the three dots again, and now on Import Favorites. Here we first have to select where the data should come from. This could be another browser, but in this example we use an HTML file that we just created. So I click on HTML file, and now on Choose File, and I search for the HTML file on my desktop. So I select it, click on Open, and as we can see my two bookmarks are back now. So exporting and importing bookmarks in Microsoft Edge is quite simple. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!